everybody, back again. I got my Rapido hat on because I'm going to show you one of our second-hand Rapidos. This with me is an automatic 2020 Rapido 8086DF. Come on, let's take a look. So this Rapido, obviously it comes with alloy wheels. It does have the Alco chassis. I will show you that on the other side. The bed layout for this one is an island bed that's height adjustable. So you'll see this can go up all the way or come down as well. This is your main garage. In there, your removable carpets. You do have your outside shower point here as well. And this is where you would raise and lower the bed, just there. You do have access on the other side to that garage as well. On the back, you've got your reverse camera here. And as I mentioned, your full length Alco chassis below me here as well. All the way in there to the other side. Let's go take a look inside. So these are swivel seats, of course, and the driver's one does the exact same. Lovely leather upholstery here in this one. As I said, it's automatic, so you have your 9-speed automatic gearbox just here. Of course, you have your Kenwood multimedia system here, so that's your DAB radio. You do have your aircon just here, and then your USB and 12-volt dock just here. Across leather steering wheel, multifunctioning as well. You have your cruise control and your speed limiter just here also. Now, round into your main living area, of course this table folds out and it can be moved and swiveled whatever way you feel is comfortable. Above me is the first bed, so I'll just show you that straight away. So here is our above the cab double bed, lovely and bright and airy in there. And as you just seen, it is really easy to just pull down, and then when you're ready it just goes back up again. So here is your kitchen setup. You do have your 3-gas hob just there and your sink. Below is your combined oven and grill here. And then, you know, the nice little accessories like your kitchen roll holder, your spice rack. Over here you've got other 12-volt plugs as well as a 3-point plug. And then tons of storage here as well. Behind me is your full fridge, freezer compartment just here. And another drawer down here. So you get full use of that whole space there. And then storage just above. Down the side you'll see the TV that comes with this vehicle and TV bracket. It is HDMI ready, so you can adapt that to your liking. Moving down, you've got your shower and your toilet and the master bedroom. Now this is a lovely memory foam mattress, and you'll just see below your huge drawer down there for storage. As I mentioned, this can be raised or lowered. It's in its lowest position right now, but you'll see on either side it can be raised all the way up to this wooden part here. Of course, this bed does fold out flat. The handle just down here. And there you go. And whenever you want more space to walk around, you can just fold it right back up again. Just as easy as that. Lovely little reading lamps, tons of storage in here as well on either side. And you can't see it from here, but there is little ports for charging in there as well. So you do have your HDMI ready port up there to put in another TV point as well. Moving on to your shower and toilet setup. So here is your separate shower. And then take a look at the toilet in there. So the toilet door can be used as a privacy door, just like that. But that is it, folks. That is everything. If you'd like to see more about this vehicle, please let me know. If you'd like to see any other vehicles, let me know as well. I've no problem showing you inside anything. To contact me, you can drop me an email, marketing@thompsonleisure.com. You can give me a call, 028 9269 3999, or drop a message in the comments and I'll pick all of them up as well. And I'll see you in the next video.